Hey guys, today is day 4 of my Arduino. Well, it's actually a Python project, but I will implement Arduino later on. So the new things I added, there's no new libraries, it's just extra commands. So we have shuffle, repeat, play previous song, add to like songs, and I added another playlist. That's not really important. And then also open queue and add song to queue. And I did also fix some small timing issues. So let's go over that. So let me see if there's anything new here. No. Okay. So the new things I added is shuffle on Spotify. So basically, so if we open Spotify, so basically if I say hey Bill, shuffle, right? Or set shuffle. So let's just open that first. Control S is and says here, so I'll focus. So basically, if Spotify is opened, then we'll focus the Spotify app. So it'll do this, and then it'll do Control S. So if I was in a playlist, like I don't know, here. Control S. Sorry. Yep. Control S. You see this does enable shuffle. So we also have repeat on Spotify. So basically, if I say hey Bill, set to repeat. Here's hey Bill and repeat. It focuses to Spotify. If it's opened, Control R. That sets shuffles the repeat mode. Yeah. And then for play previous song, basically to play previous song, you just do Control L. So if it's playing, Control L 2 times. So that's why I set it to do 2 times, right? And then when you add to like songs, basically there's a hotkey, so Alt Shift B to add to like songs or remove from like songs. So those are the easy ones. And then there's open queue. So basically there's another one. So Alt Shift Q. You can open it or close it, right? And then this one is the big one. So basically add a specific song to the queue. So basically this is kind of like play the song. So you go to Control K. So if I said hey Bill, add I don't know, Kill Bill to queue, right? It'll remove hey Bill, add song, or to queue, or add like all these. Any of these would be removed. So basically if I said hey Bill, add song, Kill Bill to queue, it would delete hey Bill, add song, right? Add song, or add to queue. So the only thing left in the words is going to be Kill Bill. So basically we focus on Spotify, we open the search bar, right? So open search bar, and then we just do Kill Bill, right? And then we basically, okay, so this is where I use the PyAutoGUI positioning for the mouse. So basically this command here is basically tells you the size. So if I run this tells me this. What? That's weird. Okay, so basically this tells me the size of my laptop. So the width and the height, and then basically the PyAuto.position. So basically what this whole command does, so this is just for me to get the positioning of my mouse. So basically we get the size, it waits 2 seconds, and I can move my mouse, let's say here, and then basically it'll tell me the position of my mouse. So for example, if I do play, I move my mouse there. So right here is position 1401 323. And basically these coordinates here is the first one is here. So to hover over it. So if we go back here. So Control K. So let's do the process again. Control K. Wait 0.2 seconds just to add some delay. And then it types Kill Bill, right? And then after that it will so it typed the words, and then basically move to the position 951 286. So that's right here. And it says right click. So I right click this, and then basically it says go to position 1086 416, which is right here, and just click it, and then click escape to skip that. So now it's like that. So you see here it's added to the queue. And yeah, added song, whatever song name it was, to queue. And yeah, that's basically what I worked on. Alright, so this is the demo for day 5. So my microphone, and last time I didn't really show the keyboard, so if you guys don't believe me, this time I'll show the keyboard as well, just to show that it is I don't need to touch my laptop. Okay, so hey Bill, set volume to 75, just so you guys can hear it better.
Set volume to 75.
Okay, so I'm gonna do shuffle and repeat. So hey Bill, shuffle. Wait.
Shuffle mode updated.
Okay, I don't know if it updated. Let's see. Oh, it just did. Okay. Hey Bill, shuffle.
Shuffle mode updated.
Okay. That took a bit of time. So let me do hey Bill, repeat.
Repeat mode updated.
Hey Bill, repeat. Hey Bill, repeat.
Repeat mode updated.
Okay. It does take, there's still some delay, but I can't really do much about that, to my knowledge. So now play previous song. So let's just say I'm playing Silence. Hey Bill, skip song. Again. Hey Bill, skip song.
Skipping song.
Okay, now if I want to say play the previous song. Hey Bill, play previous song.
Playing previous song.
Okay, there you go. I don't know why it took me so many times, but maybe it's, yeah. Let's see. Add to like song. So if I say, hey Bill, like this song.
Added to like songs.
Okay, or if I say it again, it'll unlike it because it's already liked. Hey Bill, add to like songs.
Added to like songs.
Or if I say, hey Bill, like the song. Hey Bill, like the song. I don't know if I had that, like the song. Oh, I did say like the song. Okay. Hey Bill, like this song. Let me try again. Hey Bill, like this song.
Added to like songs.
Is it gonna? Hey Bill, like this song.
Added to like songs.
I don't think it's doing that. Is it? Let me check. Oh, okay. It just wasn't popping up. Let me try again. Hey Bill, like this song. Hey Bill, like this song.
Added to like
Okay,
songs.
now, okay, it's worked now. All right, so open queue or close the queue. Hey Bill, open queue.
Queue visibility updated.
Okay, see, they changed. Hey Bill, open queue.
Queue
Hey.
visibility updated.
Okay, cool. And then the last thing I think is add a specific song to the queue. So if I say, let me think. Hey Bill, add Antidote to queue. Oh. Hey Bill, add Antidote to queue. Maybe. Oh, okay, now it's working. Oh,
Added
look.
song antidote to
The
queue.
mouse just moved everywhere and you added it, so it's playing that right now, but let me see. Hey Bill, add song Kill Bill to queue. Hey Bill, set volume to 20. Okay. It's too loud. Hey Bill, add song And okay, wait, let me think. Okay, well, it just okay. Let me think. Okay, let's just add that song. Hey Bill, add silhouettes to queue. Hey Bill, add silhouettes to queue. Okay, I might need to add some delay to that. Let me do that real quick. Okay, so I did and some extra time here. So instead of 0.2, it's 0.5. So let's try again. Hey Bill, play song. Or actually wait. Hey Bill, unpause. Oh, okay, oops. Hey Bill, unpause. Okay, so hey Bill, add song Hush Life. Wait, is that the right song? I don't think it did that. Hey Bill, add song Kill Bill to queue. Let's try that. Okay, now that one works. Okay. Hey Bill, add Hush Little Baby to queue. Okay, I mean, I guess it's working now. Let me try one more. Hey Bill, add song Risk It All to queue. Okay, so I guess it kind of works. So that's my progress for day 5. Sorry if I'm actually making this video too long, but yeah, I'll see you guys.